agriculture continues to be the main driver of the rural economy. Our hardworking farmers, supported by the pro-farmer policies of our government in the past 4.5 years, have produced agriculture commodities in record quantities. Declining prices of agricultural commodities in the international market and fall in food inflation in India since the last 2 years relative to the non-food sector have, however, reduced the returns from farming. Small and fragmented landholding on account of repeated divisions has also contributed in decline in the income of the farmer family. Hence, there is a need for providing structured income support to the poor landholder farmer families in the country for procuring inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, equipment, labor, and to meet other needs. Such support will help them in avoiding indebtedness as well and falling into the clutches of money lenders. To provide an assured income support to the small and marginal farmers, छोटे और सीमांत जो किसान हैं, उनको एक प्रकार से उनकी आय में और तेज गति से बढ़े और एक समर्थन देने के हेतु प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि पीएम किसान नाम की एक ऐतिहासिक योजना इस सरकार ने मंजूरी की है। पीएम किसान इस योजना के तहत जो वल्नरेबल किसान हैं, जो छोटी जमीन रखते हैं, 2 हेक्टेयर तक की जिनकी जमीन है, 2 हेक्टेयर तक की जमीन को, उन सभी को सीधा उनके इनकम में सपोर्ट, डायरेक्ट इनकम सपोर्ट 6,000 रुपए प्रति वर्ष के हिसाब से देने का निर्णय सरकार ने किया है। This income support will be transferred. This income support will be transferred directly into the bank accounts of beneficiary farmers in 3 equal installments of rupees 2,000 each. This program will be funded 100% by the Government of India.